need to explore how we can all act to care for our planet, our world, and everything in it. And we're also hoping that today is going to be a springboard for you students to become eco-ambassadors at your own school, where you're going to help your teachers lead ecological conversion and environmental actions back at your school.
Hi, I'm Xavier. I'm from St Mary's Milton. This was a really fun day and we got to learn how to properly care for the environment.
I'm Lily. The reason I became an ambassador is because there's so many things going on in the world, and helping with the environment can just help the world in so many ways.
Hi, I'm Luke, and I think this day was important because we need to learn more about the environment.